नहीं आप सुन रहे हैं ना? हेलो
Hi guys, this is Stuti and you're watching me on Follow, and here with me is the awesome team of 7 Hours to Go, which is Sandeepa Dhar, Shiv and Natasha.
There are 3 heroes in the film called ACP Nandini Shukla, Arjun Ranawat and Maya. And did you want to say?
Actually, I'm as you can see, I'm outnumbered here, and I've got two wonderful, lovely ladies on my side, either side, and then 2 action-oriented heroines I've had the pleasure to work with. I play a character called Arjun Ranawat, which is basically वो मुजफ्फरनगर का एक retired मतलब एक मुजफ्फरनगर से एक police officer है, and he comes to Mumbai to look for his fiancée Maya. And Maya के साथ एक incident होता है जिसकी वजह से he takes people hostage, and then he throws a challenge to ACP Nandini Shukla, जो कि संदीपा धर है, and he tells her to solve that incident in a span of 7 hours, otherwise he's going to kill a hostage every hour. Very menacing kind of a guy it is, huh? Badass.
I like that thing. Actually, the honest thing is when he was shooting for his portion, I hadn't seen it. Because he's in the hostage room, I'm outside the hostage room. But when I watched the film, he's taken me completely by surprise because, you know, he's like a goofball in person. So I know him as this goofball Shiv Pandit.
1 second, I take it. What do you mean by that? No, what do you mean by saying
But
that?
shut
No,
up,
what does she mean by saying
there's a
all that?
compliment coming. Will you shut up?
Am I a goofball? What's the compliment?
So then when I watched the film, there's so much maturity in his performance, which is very
No,
difficult.
what does she mean by saying maturity? What does?
No, very difficult.
Also compliment.
There's a lot of therav and there's a lot of like, and he's got an amazing voice, which I realized when I was watching the film. He's got this deep baritone, you know, bassy voice, and he's got this, you know, he's got this very
check.
like he's got this very suave and you know, like very George Clooney in the way, you know.
आप great हो, आप महान हो, आप great हो, और बोलते रहो.
So yeah, I was really surprised actually, firstly, because I didn't expect.
ये कर सकता है ऐसे?
ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है. It was like that, but then yeah, he's damn good, and even the action bits that you've done inside the hostage is really nice.
Action was there?
Yes, there's a lot of action which he's doing inside the hostage room, and there's a lot of hand-to-hand combat. And you know, one of the reasons why I was behind my action director to, you know, give me difficult action was because I used to see him doing the action, so I used to be like, Javed Ejaz sir, please मुझे इससे ऐसा कुछ करवाओ. So it always used to be like that.
आप great, आप महान, आप अंतर्यामी हो.
वो तो मैं तराजू. So yeah, so it was good fun.
आप कौन हो?
आप हैं?
No, come. This is Natasha Sandwich. Sorry.
Sandwich नहीं. Stankovic.
This is Natasha Stankovic.
Which
It's like अगर संदीपा ने धांसू एक्शन किया है, she done amazing action, then I think Natasha is not far behind.
No, I'm not at all.
Not at all.
and we are very modest. We're very modest actors in this film.
So Natasha, tell us about your action.
I can't talk that much about my action, but my role is actually Maya, and I'm playing a love interest of this guy here.
I feel bad for you.
Yeah, I know.
How horrible was it to be my mom?
You can't even imagine.
Really? Do I excite this kind of negativity?
Yeah.
I'm gonna call my actual love interest. Varun.
Yeah.
Varun, do I excite this kind of negativity? Did you not have an amazing time? This is my second film with
Can you
him.
please introduce him
तो
first?
मेरा कैरेक्टर जो है वो
Barola.
फिल्म में जो है कॉप का है, और वो कॉप जो कि इस केस को सॉल्व करने के लिए आया है, जो बखेड़ा गया था, जो शिव का कैरेक्टर शेखावत वो फैलाता है, और अल्टीमेटली मैं करता कुछ नहीं, मैं वहाँ पे खड़ा रहता हूँ, क्योंकि
मैं
साथ हॉस्टेज पकड़ती है, इनको लगता है कि नहीं थोड़ा ग्लैमर लाया जाए पिक्चर में, तो वो शुक्ला को बुला लेते हैं कि भाई ये केस सॉल्व करो, और नहीं तो हर बंदा एक बंदा जो है मैं 7 घंटे में 7 के हिसाब से मार दूंगा, तो 7 बंदे 7 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएंगे, तो या तो उससे पहले केस सॉल्व करो या बंदे गए, तो उसके बाद केस सॉल्व करना है.
Done? Huh? Let's move on.
No, actually, I'm not going to answer that question. I know that I have enriched her life by making her have such a lot of fun and being so helpful to her.
Teaching her Hindi.
No, not teaching her Hindi. She's very good Hindi, but I have enriched her life. But she will never admit it. She'll never admit it because she thinks that she's enriched my life. You know?
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. I think I've enriched her life. She thinks I've.
ऐसा इतना enrichment मतलब शैम्पू बेच रहे थे क्या? I enriched.
पता नहीं क्या कर रहे थे
She enriched mine.
No, but okay.
काफी enriching experience.
Natasha, tell them how much fun it was shooting.
Clearly, you can see how much fun she had.
इतना fun था मुझे हो गई इसकी एकदम से.
No, but it was a lot of fun. I'll tell you why.
Why?
It was
I
a lot-
tell you why.
No,
Tell us why.
It was a lot of fun because see, in general, I love doing action, and this film
That
is so.
was my line, by the way.
In my line, it's a truth.
My
yaar.
line was that I love doing action and all the stunts and everything. Get
I also,
something,
I
yeah.
also like to do action. I mean, I'm just saying in general.
What action you have done? Can I
I've done no action. I've just sat back and taken
He's
people.
got
off
a lot of action in the
stage.
film.
No, see, why was this movie a lot of fun? I'll tell you why this movie a lot of fun.
एक बार एक सीन मैंने फ्लाईओवर पे भी किया है इस फिल्म में.
See, the thing is, इस फिल्म में ना इतना स्टाइलिश एक्शन आपको देखने को मिलेगा.
रेलवे ट्रैक्स के बगल में भी एक सीन था.
हाँ. So this film is a lot of fun. I'll tell you why. The energy on the set was amazing because see, as you can notice, a lot of us. This is a thriller. So thriller में कभी कभार क्या होता है ना कि सबके सीन एक साथ नहीं होते हैं. But all of us. The fact of the matter is, came with such a beautiful energy on set, and it was such a great time working with these guys. And I know it's a typical thing to say, but truth be told, everyone is putting their best foot forward, and I think somehow that energy and that adrenaline was the reason why this film was so much of fun. Because always, every second minute, there's some sort of an action scene going on. There was never a scene that Varun is खड़ा होके मतलब मैं चने खा रहा हूँ on the railway track. वो भी मतलब 24 घंटे आगे पीछे भाग रहे हैं, इधर मतलब चीजें कर रहे हैं. So it's always a very fast-paced kind of.
I also feel that we have a really fun director. I think
Yeah.
that makes a huge difference because I think it.
Who is a, I totally don't agree with our fun director because you see, I'll tell you how fun our director is.
He used to, you know what he used to do? He used to make hearts in my script, by the way. And he used to write, so Sandeepa loves Saurabh. That's the kind of a director we have.
You know, I'll tell you one
इससे पता
anecdote.
चलता है कितना झूठ फैला हुआ था हमारी यूनिट में.
I'll tell you something about Saurabh. So Saurabh is the kind of a guy कि he's actually, he intense scene चल रहा होगा. But Saurabh has found something very funny in the middle of an intense scene. तो actor अपनी पूरी performance देखे, he's looking at the director कि शायद director बोले यार not bad,
Very good.
done a good job. But Saurabh is just sitting there like, he'll be laughing like this. I mean that doesn't he do that?
Yes.
Yeah,
I remember this whole phone conversation I have, and I'm screaming at the person, and I can see him from the corner of my eye. I can see.
So
him.
basically in general, Mr. Saurabh Verma जो है, वो आप इधर ही
आप
खड़े
इधर ही
हो.
हैं?
अच्छा, आप इधर ही खड़े हो. आज की
हम
video
बोल रहे थे कितने अच्छे हो आप.
My favorite pastime is bitching about him while he's standing there. आइए sir, आइए sir.
फिर आप
आइए. Recently, he's put up a making of video on a website. So suddenly he comes, and I saw this video last night. He's like कि अब हम अपने actor शिव पंडित से जानना चाहेंगे कि उनको ये फिल्म कैसी अच्छी लगी. And he's panning to me, and I'm sleeping with my mouth wide open. And that's what him and Natasha used to do. It was so tiring on these scenes. 2 minute का break, 2 minute मैं van भी नहीं जा रहा हूँ, उधर ही set पे मैं सो रहा हूँ 2 minute के लिए या आराम कर रहा हूँ. They used to that's all. They were not concentrating on making the film. They're concentrating on recording me when I've taken a 2
It
minute
also
nap.
shows how much hard work Shiv Pandit did for this
Yeah.
film.
देखिए नींद में आदमी जो कमाल करता है वो आपको पता नहीं
वो
है.
तो correct है.
है कि नहीं सर? है कि
नींद में
नहीं?
तो बहुत चीजें होंगी.
I would compliment शिव, इन्होंने पूरी पिक्चर नींद में शूट की
निकाली.
है. So बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्म किया है इन्होंने.
Thank you.
What is this?
We are not the ones having a blast. This guy is the guy who is in the middle of an intense scene, is sitting behind the monitor and laughing.
So now you are we have done it.
No, I was just laughing at their performance. It was so. I don't have the right word for it, but these are not apt words. So I think you need to judge. Director तो हर director बोलता है पिक्चर अच्छी है, हर actor बोलता है पिक्चर अच्छी है. Trailer अच्छा लगे तो जरूर देखने आइएगा. 7 Us to Go. And this is a sign. What's the sign?
You do 5.
जानिए ये चीज हो क्या?
This is a sign.
You do